It's time to check on our chayotes. Okay, we started with the experiment on January 18, 2023, and it is now, let's see. Alexa, what is today's date?
Today is Sunday, 22nd of January.
So today is January 22nd, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 4 days after. We just take them out from the container. Okay. These two are the one that we didn't do anything. Let's see how it's doing. This one here, look, there's something's growing there already. If you could see that, there's a little bud there. Okay, so that is doing fine. And this one is, look, something is happening there too. See that? I'm not sure if you could just take a look at. There you go. Starting to grow. Oh, look at that. That's good. So far so good with this one. And this is the one that we bathed in water. Okay, and a Ziploc bag. Let's see how's it going. And look at that, roots. Oh, it feels moist still. Here, there are roots there. Oh. Okay, let's put some back. This one here. This is the one that we extracted the seed and sprayed it with water. Look at this. Wow, I can see something. Oh, wow. I'm gonna have to plant this and put this in soil soon. Look at that. Look at those roots. Wow, that's exciting. Really exciting. Okay, let's put this one back. Let's not damage that growth there. And let's take a look at this one. This is the, okay, nothing here, but it looks a little, it seems like it's bulging a little bit, but we'll wait for another week, but maybe we'll wait. Just have to be patient. Okay, let's put this one back. So that's the update for the chayote 4 days after we started growing these chayote. Let's put them back in the container. It's time for another update for the chayote. Okay. Here's the chayote that we started with the moist paper towel and the takeout container. We started this on January 18, and today, let's find out what day it is today with Alexa. Alexa, what is today's date?
Today is Wednesday, 1st of February.
So today is February the 1st, exactly 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks since we started this chayote. Okay, let's open this one up. We know last time that we updated this one that there were some roots that's coming out. Let's start with this one. And of course this one doesn't have anything, but it's not rotten or anything though, but maybe it needs a little bit of time to it's okay, we'll keep it at that. Okay, let's wrap it again. And hopefully it'll grow in another week or two. If it doesn't grow any roots at all, then we're gonna have to discard it. And this one, I know there's a growth in this one, but how much? Let's find out. Look at that. Look at the roots. So much root has grown. And look at the shoot there. Wow. Okay, let's put it aside here, and we're going to compare all of the chayote. Okay, that's the one with paper towel, moist paper towel in a takeout container. And let's open this. Doesn't look like there's much growth in here. This is the one that we bathe in water. There are some roots. Last time that we checked, there were some roots growing, but I couldn't remember how much roots. But there's, look at that, there's a shoot coming out of there. You see that? And it's starting to wrinkle. The leeks is growing, right? Let me show you this one. Oh, look at that. Look how much growth. They're wrinkly. Okay, let's put them back in their container. Hopefully I can put them in the soil in a pot tomorrow, if not tomorrow, on Friday. Today is Wednesday. Okay. So today I'm doing an update before I start planting this chayote. Okay, let's find out if they have grown more from the last time we checked it on Wednesday. Obviously, I think this one is not growing, but we'll leave it for another week or two. Okay, let's give it a chance, and then if it doesn't grow, then we'll have to discard it. And this is the one that's growing. Oh, look at that. It has grown more from Wednesday. Okay, this is ready for transplanting. Here's the one from this one hasn't grown much. I think it was the same. It hasn't grown much since Wednesday, so okay. But the other two has grown taller or longer. So this is definitely has to go in the soil, and that, well, we'll put everything in the soil. Let me put them back in their container, and I'll prepare the soil. Maybe I should just remove it from here and put it here. Okay. I have prepared the growing medium that I'm going to use to plant the chayotes. The mixture includes sphagnum peat moss, coconut coir, and perlite. I added some water to make it moist. Let's spread the perlite and water by mixing, and we have to make sure that the soil absorbs the water. Peat and coir are both all-purpose potting mix ingredients and soil amendments. They both help regulate moisture and air around plant roots, and perlite helps with the drainage. It's still pretty dry, so let me add some more water. Peat and coir were packaged dry. It's difficult to re-wet them when straight out of their packaging, so the best way to do is to moisten them before doing any planting. More water. To check if it's moist enough, just grab a fistful of soil, squeeze it. If it forms a clump without any excess water, then it's ready. This bowl on top of the soil mixture will keep the bottom of the pot clean. I'm using this paper towel to cover the drainage holes, just to make sure that the soil won't leak out at the bottom. Just making sure that all the holes are covered. I'm slightly tapping down the soil to minimize any air pockets. Okay, let's start planting. Let's start with the extracted seed. Some of the roots are clinging into the paper towel. I'm going to remove the majority of it and leave the part where the roots are. Making sure that all the roots and part of the seedling are in the soil. There you go. One down, 3 more to go. Again, making sure that all the drainage holes are covered with paper towel. The paper towel won't stop the water from draining. It will only stop the soil from leaking. Let's do the Ziploc chayote next. Let me take it out of the bag without damaging the roots. We have to make sure that the new chayote shoot is facing upwards. We are not going to bury the whole chayote in the soil, only part of it. But we have to make sure that all the roots are covered with soil. Done with this one. There's the small chayote shoot still trying to come out. Here's the third chayote. This one has a long growth, a little leggy, but that's okay. Once I put it under the grow light, it will develop some leaves. Again, we are not going to bury the whole chayote, only part of it. If you notice that the other end of the chayote is almost touching the side of the pot, that is because I like to keep the chayote shoot in the middle. This chayote doesn't have any visible roots yet, but it will start growing, especially now that it is sitting in the soil. Just make sure that there is soil at the base of the chayote growth. That's where the roots are going to develop. Okay, I'm done with this one. let's do the last one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Comments would be greatly appreciated. And please click the notification bell to keep you updated. Again, thank you. Until next time, bye-bye.